Oh, my name is Estelle. I wasn't sleeping. I just saw you. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Estelle, and if this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. Today I'll be creating this beautiful look you're looking at here. That's the look. Yes, I'll be doing this beautiful makeup for you and me. And let's get right into this video. And please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the bell beside it so you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy this video with me. My eyes are done, and today I'll be going in with this palette from Juviasplace. I'm going to go in with this brush, and I will dig into this color here. I'm going to use this brush. It's a little bit more pointed than that one, and I'm going to dig into this color here. The first one I used is called Yodit, and this is Kofuru. Let's go with Daura. Just a little. I'm using this to diffuse that color. It's in on. I'm going to go back. I'm going to use this concealer, and I'm going to place very little. Using this flat brush, and I'll pat that in. I'll go into this color. It's called Kana. Okay, so I switched into this palette because that one wasn't vibrant, so I'm going to use, this is the Lancy palette that I used in my last video. If you have not checked that video out, please do. I used this color here called Lorealty. Yeah. Going back to this palette, I'll take that Kofuru again, and I'll bring back that color. I'm not taking it all the way down. You can see I'm just, when I put more here, I blend it in here very lightly. I'm going back to that Juviasplace one. Initially it wasn't showing, but now I'll use it to smooth out that other color. I'm going to use these two colors here. I'll start with this and I'll build it up with this. Finger crossed, I hope it comes out well. Go in with the black and I'm taking it very lightly. Now I'm not smudging it out, I'm just patting it. So I'm going to go in, while I'm waiting for the lashes to dry out, I'm going to go in with this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face. As you can see, my face is very oily today. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Mascara. I'm going to go in with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation by NYX. Use this EstelleOrji Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn.